everyone, my name is Henna and I'm going to be your sugar makeup expert for today. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a day smoky look and how to transform it for a night out. Stay tuned and keep watching to see how I do it. So the first thing that you want to do when doing an eye makeup is always put on a good base. Because without a good base, the pigments are not going to stick on your eye and it's going to fade away within like an hour or two. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be applying a foundation on my eyes, and I'm going to be using the Sugar Cosmetics Stick Foundation, which is the Ace of Face Foundation Stick in 03 CHOCOCCINO. And I just pat it generously in the eye and then use your fingers to just blend it all over your eyelid. So next I'm going to be applying the compact powder over the foundation, which is the Sugar Cosmetic Compact Powder in the shade 03 Macchiato. I'm just going to use the puff and then apply it generously all over my eyelid. The first thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be applying a lighter shade Smoky Eye, which is going to be transformed into a night look by enhancing the boldness of the colors. I'll be using this shade and this shade. I'm going to start with the darker shade for the crease of my eyes and the outer corner of my eye. The next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to put the lighter shade all over the front lid of the eye and just blend it in with the darker shade. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the dark shade of the eyeshadow and just put a little bit under my waterline just to frame my eyes and make it look a little bit more bolder. So once you're done with this, what you want to do is just apply a little bit of kajal and a little bit of mascara and you're done and you can go out for the day. So right now I'm using the Sugar Cosmetic Lash Mauve Limitless Mascara. And I was using the Sugar Cosmetic Kajal as well in the shade 01. So this is the final daytime look. I'm going to be showing you how to transform this look for a night out. To transform this look for a night out, I'm going to be using the same palette and I'm going to be using this shade and this shade now. So what you're going to do now is you're just going to go over the existing eye makeup that you have and you're just going to make it pop even more. What you're going to do is use the darker shade on the outer lid and the crease of the eye. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be applying a pop of shimmer in the front of the lid and on the top of my brow bone. After you're done with this step, just take a little bit more of the darker shade again and go on over your crease just to blend everything in. Take the shimmer color again and put a little bit all over your brow bone. The next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be applying the eyeliner and I'm going to be using the Sugar Cosmetic Arrested for Overstay Black Liner. This is really great, it's waterproof so it can last you all night. The last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to be applying my mascara and I'm going to be using the Sugar Cosmetic Lash Mauve Limitless Mascara. And you're done! So this is the final day to night transformation look. I hope you guys enjoyed it and I hope this is useful for you guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share. See you guys in the next video. Bye!